Still Monday, 10th of July. Got my deck pulled off my Z 225. And no surprises. You know, I had some buildup up to 3/8 of an inch thick. Just clay and dirt and such. The reason I'm doing all this, of course you can see the bare metal where it's wore the paint off. But I want to go back with this product. Slip plate heavy duty dry film graphite lubricant number 1. Slippery when dry. I want to coat the entire underside of this deck with this product. And it's got mixed reviews. Some people say it's great. Some people say it's a waste of money. I'm of the opinion it sticks better than the paint does. Will help the cut grass slide off. What harm can it do? That's how I look at it. Slightly cheaper than paint, believe it or not, at $98 a gallon, and the good paint is about the same. The good paint. I'm not talking a crap from Tractor Supply or Walmart. But yeah, the seller said the deck was 2 years old. I see no reason to doubt her word. It looks like a 2-year-old deck to me. She mowed a lot, not just a yard. And so yeah, looking good. I'll get her coated, give you all the video before I mount it back up underneath the mower. That's all for this one. Anga.